Hold it in your hand. Hold it in your hand like this. Yeah, come and get it. Open it. Open it. Keep it in your hand. Hold it out. Huh? Hold your hand out. Yeah. No, hold it. Don't let it out.
Let them eat. Why they don't want to let them eat?
They can't?
Eat.
Don't hold it out. Keep it out. Open it like this.
They gotta get scared. They know how to train animals around. They good at that.
You gotta throw it in there, bro. They don't come to you now. Bro, throw it higher, bro. High up. Oh my God, bro. Oh God, bro. Show it. What? Yeah.
Let them eat, bro.
What? Yeah. That kid is like. Yeah. وقتي. How much you want? Three? Three.
I'll pick you up. Too much of it here. They don't want to eat anymore.
No, the kids keep scaring them, bro.
They should let them eat, you know.
Yes?
They don't want to eat anymore.
There's a lot of
The kids keep
pigeons.
scaring them.
There's a lot of pigeons you can get. Oh, come on.